So sir,
can't believe it.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
I can't believe it.
Hi guys, what you have just seen was a glimpse of Kawasaki Versys 650 video. The video which is already live on my channel, and if you have missed it, I'll include that link in the description box below. However, this video is about the first impressions of the Versys 650, the first time I was riding that bike, a short glimpse of that and some of the accessories that been already loaded onto the bike right from the showroom itself. So every accessory that I'll point it out will be from GV, the brand which is being promoted by the Kawasaki itself, and we got it fixed, equipped. The bike is all equipped right from the showroom itself. So without further ado, let's get started.
Hi guys, after a long time I'm riding such a comfortable bike. You can call it ADV, tourer, anything, but it's a beautiful bike, beautiful. Great looking, sweet machine, such a smooth one, especially when you are coming from the backgrounds of like RC390 and Ducati. Very famous and known for their vibrations. And the 620 engine is a parallel twin, so not the sweet inline 4 symphony, but absolutely brilliant. So there has been some modifications done on this bike, like the tallest windscreen I've ever seen. It's even taller than I am, with me sitting on the bike, and the bike in general is taller than me. When I'm standing on the I could barely land my feet, so I'm tiptoeing on both the sides. Hopefully I don't need to land my feet in any certain cases, but yes, that's if you are somewhere less than 5'8" or 5'7", 5'8", then you will have problems if you really want to feel confident with your feet on the ground. Power is adequate, nothing that would scare you off. I'm not sure if there are riding modes in this. Trust me, this is the first time I'm riding this bike. I have no clue what the power figures look like on the paper, but it's very, very smooth, very subtle in terms of power delivery, and the way you feel the power, the way it gets onto the road in every gear. We are riding in 4th gear and it's just 60 kilometers. There's no hiccups, there's no knocking in terms of the engine that is probably running in a higher gear than what's required. Easy overtakes, effortless it seems to be, and brilliant bike. So everyone is on the right side waiting for me to come back, and here they are. So if you want to dodge the tall speed breakers, bad roads, you just have to stand and you would be good to go, right? You're very comfortable doing that as well. The lime and lemon in this is Versys 650, so latest model, I guess. Some of the aftermarket things that been installed on accessories are this ram mount that you could already see. Tallest windscreen ever seen in the history of mankind. And after that you have panniers. So there are 2 panniers that you get on either side. He's again planning to add top box to the list. And what else? This engine guard is there. I'm not sure whether the angle is right or not. Then you have the engine guard, definitely. So these are the minor things that you would see and you would actually need on the bike. This power outlet that you could that charging socket that you have. Suspensions are adjustable. Power is beautiful. This is again the fog lamps that are there on both the sides, the small ones to illuminate the roads that doesn't have any electricity or street lamps. And we are back. So that was a very short review of what a beautiful bike should look like. I'll see you in the detailed video of this bike very soon. once I get a hang of it and I really know what it runs like on the inside. So this is what a general walk around looks like. This is the pannier stand or holder or something, engine guards, then you have fog lamps and everything else you could see. This is a brand spanking new bike. Wow man, congratulations to our brother Akash for adding this beautiful machine to our group. So our group is evolving. Eventually we got a new exhaust on GSX 750. Daisy is there and everyone else is too.
How was the experience?
It was beautiful man, you got such a brilliant bike. I can surely say that power delivery is so linear and it's very smooth. I don't know that you have complaints.
वो फील होता है थोड़ा सा. चले गए स्पीति चले.